you love your country, let's honor her. Please rise and remove cover if you haven't already. It's time now for the national anthem. Leading the champs of the National Western.
Now to the award-winning rodeo of the Elizabeth Stampede. Today brought to you by a famed Colorado family and four-time national finalist. Short blows for the first qualified ride of the afternoon. As the ramp pickup men will move in and get ready to sit down. The cowboy representing the State Fair, Colorado. You get to watch it back on Arrow 5 years out.
6 points. So you're looking at a young gun named Sam Peterson riding for the Pikes Peak with us. Home, Sam! There you go, Buckaroo! Oh, folks, that's guts. That's drive. How about helping him get back up on his feet, Colorado style? Boy matched this horse move for move. And that's why he just moved into the lead. 84 and a half.
Great bucket horse today. Robbie Spoon. The Bold Rodeo Company and it's the award-winning bucket. Just about got in a storm at the end of that 8-second matchup.
Well, here's what you need to know about that horse. Won the Colorado State Fair on that horse with 86 and a half. That's a 14-year-old mare out of Painted Valley as well. Let's help him. Come on. 16-year-old cowboy. Oh, yeah, you wish you had the other guy's hair. I wish I had this guy's age. I'm only 41 years older than he is. Check it out, folks. He had to be more than 76. He's 78. Moves in and finished in the top 3. That's right. She's currently working with the Temple Brandon Equal 3 season. So tonight, Ashley will take the crown off of her hat and place it on the hat of Randall and Madison. She too receives flowers from our President and CEO, Paul Andrews. Wear the crown right back home. How about it, everybody? Randall and Madison. Montrose, Colorado. Your 2023 Miss Rodeo, Colorado.
Starts in fourth. He's got a good one. Let's help him do it. His job is to help Taz be the best that he can be. Come on, don't quit him. He's not going to quit you.
Steer where they need it. Come on, Remy. That's second effort. 7 years old from Bloomfield. Wow. Not a whole lot of hang on in him. Here's Brindley Pebler. 6 years old from Kingsburg and Brindley Pebler.
Rally today, 76 points.
So from champion Cowboys comes a champion's trophy.
The 6-horse hitch comes center stage, and just like it would bring Frank to dinner, today it brings us the special gift.
Oh no. Oh no. Hey folks, stop. I had a dog that did see in the movies and a Western. For example, the first stunt is like being shot from the saddle. Naomi with the death drag. Bam! Shot from the saddle, dragging her hands on the ground. How loud can you get for Naomi Reigns on Cruise? Here comes Jordan with a full fender. Jordan Benedict with a full fender on Beastie. Now let's get all teared up with the teardrop. This is Taryn Purcell riding dismay, and that is the teardrop. Mackenzie Dawson on Mojave. This is the shooting star. Back to Rachel Garrison on turbo. This is a layout to an invert. There's the layout as she lays on the back. The invert happens when she lets her head drop all the way to the side of that horse. Great job by
Down on that first barrel, and make it 2. She's hoping to not go for the trifecta. She gets it, let's make it 3. That's 15 in penalties today.
her horse. Lay out for the right hand first. Through it, around to the right. Switch hands on the reins. Allen in the left. Tight corners, straight lines. Leave them standing. There you go. Kick, ride, and we're clean.
Barrel 2 is good. One more. Get ready. Make some noise. Stubborn.
Horse lost his footing, almost slid into the box seats. And rather than risk anything else, she's going to take a no time.
Palomino horse. Another stumble. They're on barrel number 2. She'll ease it over to barrel number 3. Search battle. Get around. Come on, Denver.
29-year-old, sitting sideways, the ball's 9-0. 6:41 on the clock. 6:41 on the clock for Tyler.